I'm Wes, the auto body guy. After 15 years in the industry, I've decided it's time to share some of the tips and tricks I've learned along the way. So to remove the mirror on this 2014 Ford F-150, there are three 11mm nuts and one plug, and it'll come right off. So let's get to it. First we'll remove this water shield and sound deadener. There's one plug here with a tab release. There you go. One tab there. Get our impact with our 11mm socket. We'll hold the mirror on the outside. We'll reach over the top here. And that's it. 2014 F-150 left front side view mirror, the Lariat edition with the light and signal in it.